Alright guys, welcome back. Today my wife and I snuck out to Anclote Golf Park for a little parent escape mission while the kids are stuck at school. She's armed with live shrimp and I'm rocking the Z-Man Salty Ned shrimp. So yes, this is officially a married couple fishing showdown. Loser cooks dinner, winner gets bragging rights forever. Let's see who catches the most fish.
Dito lang, sige lang.
And hey, before we get into the action, sorry in advance if you hear me sniffing a lot in this video. My nose was on full faucet mode that day for no reason. So if you catch a few sniffles in the background, just pretend it's part of the sound effects.
Get snagged?
What happened next is my wife line gets snagged, so I'm heading over to rescue her line. Classic fishing teamwork.
What? Ako. Ako nga. Ay, na-snag ka dyan. Ako. Oo, ay, may trout. Usually, ganun ginagawa nila. Pupunta sila sa ilalim.
Oo, naman.
Hindi, natatanggal nila yan.
Tying on a new hook so she can get back to fishing.
May kukunin lang ako sa car mo.
Walked to the car for a sec, came back, and boom. My wife already caught her first fish of the day, and it's a keeper.
Wait lang. Hindi kaya titimbay.
Sabi nila, pagdating lang. Sabi nila, paano mo na ulit?
Sabi?
Dapat ako itaas, tinulungan niya ako.
Ganun. Hindi, sige lang. Kaya mo yan, ma. Enjoy ka lang.
Everything's sorted, and now it's time to get back to fishing. Time to see if the fish are still biting.
Sean. Got a fish, mom. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Let's see. Whee! Oh, it's a good size. Thank you. Let's see how big is it. Hey, stop. slot, mom. It's keeper. 15.5. Yeah. Nice. Ay, nawala. Nawala. Teka, loose. Retrieve mo na yung line mo, baka malayo na ma. Makikita mo pa ba? Buo pa. Minsan may ano din dito ma. May dolphins, may manatee. Yeah, sometimes. See, there's 2 dolphins right over there. There are 2. Oh, there's one more in front of you. There's 3 now. There's 2 right. There's the kid and there's the mom. Ah, punta ka dun. Sa dulo. Lipat ko yung gamit. Maybe no. Diyan ka sa gitna niyang ano. Yan, dyan mo ba gusto? Okay lang. Ito na yung ano mo. Ah. Hindi, lumipat siya dun. Try lang, ibang spot. Ayun ma, pag meron ka ng waders, pwede yung ganun. Yung katulad ng ginagawa nila. $50 yata yun sa ano eh. Ha? Ha? Sa Amazon, 50. Yeah. Yep. Oh, it's good. Yes. Look, the kami bait. Baka wala na yun kanina din. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Hold on. I don't know. Oh yeah, trout. But a small one. Whee! Oh, I think that's, let's see. Might be on slot. Oh, she gulped my shrimp. Oh, it's too little. Yeah. Yep. No, they can, no, they can, ano, nakukuha niya yun, natatanggal niya. Ganun yung ginagawa sa mga fish kapag ano, kapag nilunok nila ng todo.
Awa ako pero wadi akong kainin sila.
Fish on! That's, is it? Do you want me to check it? No. Nice, Mom. Hey.
Kukuinin mo ito.
Sabi niya, kung nasa size ako, kinain mo na ako. Bye, fish.
Alright guys, at this point the bite has slowed and we're both feeling hungry, so we decided to wrap up and call it a day. Still, it was a productive fishing trip. Caught 2 keeper speckled trout and we released 2 undersized ones. Not bad for just over an hour of fishing. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on our next fishing trip.